Thank you for buying this 18216 cabinet door hinge that is designed for overlay style from Fixture Displays. For detailed measurements, please look at the listing photographs. This is designed to work with board thickness from 14 millimeter up to 22 millimeter thickness. These door hinges can be adjusted to level your door, and there are plenty of other videos online you can look at for fine adjustments. Again, this is for overlay door types, and the hinge measures about 4 inches long, 2.4 inches tall, and depth is 1.4 inches. The cup opening is 1 inch, depth is 0.5 inch. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.